Welcome to your third tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to create and edit decks. We're in the teacher dashboard right now, but we can go to the create deck screen by pressing the second button on the teacher dashboard. Once you get to the create deck screen, you have multiple options that you can choose from. Up top, you can open up a previous deck and edit it and save it as a new one. You can save the current deck, or you can save the current deck. On the bottom, you have four options that you have. You can add a card from a general repository. You can create a new card. It'll take you to the create card screen actually, and you can create the card there. You can edit the card that you're currently on, or you can remove the card from the deck. So I'm going to create a whole new deck right now. I'm going to add a card from what we just created. They're on the bottom three. So these are the cards that we just created in the previous tutorial. You can add the cards. As you can see, the three cards have been added to the deck. Once these cards have been added to the deck, I can create another card and add it to the deck. For suppose, so I can create a new card. Say 7 plus 7. Suppose you wanted the teacher. Suppose this text was not readable by the computer. As you can see up top, it's readable, but if it was not, you can hit non-gradable. The gradable checkbox enables when the student is playing the game. If it's something that the computer cannot recognize, it'll allow the teacher to actually grade the card. So if you hit non-gradable during the game process, the program will skip over the card and leave it to the teacher to make the decision. So we're going to hit non-gradable, and we can add the categories. And we can save the card. Once you save the card, it'll ask you if you want to insert to a deck, and yes, we want to insert to a deck because that's what we have opened up right now. As you can see, we have our four cards that we added, and we can save the deck. On the top part, it'll show you what the cards that are located, and we can save the deck as trial 1. You can save the card and you can hit save deck. Now we're just showing you what all the other cards, and we have saved the deck. To open the deck that we just created, we can open the deck back up. There it is, trial 7:50 p.m. trial1.fc. Once you open it up, you can see that the cards that we just created have been right here. We can also edit this deck. Say if you want to edit this card right there, we can edit that card. We can erase what we have right now, and we can add, change the color to something green, and hit 5 plus 5. And we can save this card. As you can see, this card's been back added to the deck, and the card that we just edited has been added back to the deck, and all instances of this card, so wherever this card is, anywhere in any other deck, this card has been updated. So, if this 5 plus 5 card was another deck, it'll appear as 5 plus 5 and not 4 plus 4. So we can save this new deck as something else, trial 2, and we can save this deck. So as you see, the creating deck process is pretty easy. Next, we will see how to play the game in the next tutorial. So thank you for watching, and look forward to more tutorials.